Vivo has silently launched its new affordable Y series phone globally called Vivo Y19s. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19s features a tall 6.68-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni-SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y19s sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouchOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.75 by 76.10 by 8.10mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19s has been priced in Bangladesh at 16,999 Bangladeshi takas, and it will be available for purchase in pearl silver, glossy black, and glacier blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y19s smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.